Hi, I'm Anton Voroniak, AI and digital marketing expert, Google Academy trainer, and CEO of Skills Booster Digital Marketing Academy. If you're ready to rethink how your team captures, organizes, and uses knowledge, then you're exactly where you need to be. This course will introduce you to Google NotebookLM, a powerful AI tool designed to supercharge research, content development, team planning, and more. So, what can you expect to learn? You'll discover how to organize your documents, notes, and sources in one intelligent workspace. Use AI to summarize reports, extract insights, and generate actionable briefs. Collaborate more effectively by turning research into shareable, structured outputs. NotebookLM is ideal for marketers, strategists, educators, and project leads who work with information-heavy tasks and want to stay focused and fast. Whether you're deep into AI tools already or just beginning to explore, this course will give you the confidence and skills to integrate NotebookLM into your workflow. Don't just collect information, put it to work. Enroll now in NotebookLM course on Udemy, and let's build a smarter, more efficient way to work together.